Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to require moderator approval for posts in your Facebook group. By default, any member can post whatever they want on your Facebook group. That means they could post offensive or spammy content. You can remove it, but that could take a while until you see it. If you're getting tired with this issue, there is an option in Facebook groups to have all comments and posts go through a moderator. The first thing to do is sign into your Facebook account if you have already not. On the left hand side of the page, look for groups. If it is not there, click the See More text. Again on the left, click the group you want to view. On the left, scroll down to Settings and click it. On this new page, scroll down to Manage Discussion and click the pencil icon on Approval All Member Posts. Click the radio button to On. Then finally click Save. Now when someone tries to post in your group, Facebook will send a notification that a post needs approval. On the left hand side there is a pending post section which will display the number of posts awaiting your approval. Click it. You now have two options, approval or decline. If you choose decline, you can also message the user or remove them from the group. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.